Now let me tell you what type of car needs to be winterized. Basically, all your vehicles need to be winterized or checked for coolant contamination, coolant levels, and coolant protection before your winter months set in. It's always good to have antifreeze protection in your vehicle to prevent corrosion. Years ago, there used to be a few cars on the market that were air-cooled versus liquid-cooled. I believe those cars were the Volkswagen Bugs, the Corvairs, the Chevy Corvair, and your Porsches. But basically today, your cars are liquid-cooled, and they have some form of antifreeze for boil-over protection to dissipate the heat, or coolant protection, usually minus 34, to protect from coolant freeze-up. Not having enough antifreeze in your cooling system can be harmful, and having too much of an antifreeze mixture, you won't get the protection you need. So basically, all cars need some form of coolant protection year-round.